How to delete your Reddit account permanently. Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how to delete your Reddit account permanently. So let's get started. Head over to Reddit, log into your account, and in the first step, guys, click on your profile icon here in the very top right corner. And after that, select settings from that drop down menu. That will take you to your account settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of it till you see this option here, delete account. Click on it. Just keep in mind, guys, that once your account on Reddit has been deactivated and deleted, this will be a permanent decision or a measure, and you will not be able to reactivate it or to access any data or information associated with your deactivated account. So only proceed if you're 100% sure to pull this off. So to confirm your deactivation and deletion, they will ask you to create a password here for your Reddit account first if you haven't done that yet. So let's do that really quickly. Click on continue. They will send an email to your email inbox and ask you to reset your password. You can do this really quickly, guys. And once that's done, they will automatically log you out of your account and ask you to log in again with your new reset password. So do that really quickly. Repeat the process, guys. Log into your account on Reddit, click on your profile logo in the top right corner, head over to your settings, scroll down to the very bottom of it, and again click on deactivate and delete your account here. And this time you will be able to delete and to deactivate your account permanently. In the last step, they will ask you to verify your identity by typing in your username here and your newly reset password below, and to last but not least, to confirm your final decision by selecting this option here. I understand that deleted accounts are in the recoverable, and if you're 100% sure to pull this off, guys, confirm everything by clicking on this delete button here in the bottom right corner, and that's basically it. They will instantaneously delete your account on Reddit, and we're done with this. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.